Hey guys, in this video we are talking about the social media video automation that we have discussed in the previous video. So this is the continuation video and we'll discuss about creating the video through agent and also then creating captions, and in the end we will upload the video. So before jumping into this video, we have to basically review our previous video, what we have done there. So if you haven't watched the video, go watch the video and then come to this video, and you will have a better understanding how we are proceeding. So okay, so let's just understand how the whole demo. So you can, if you can go to the if you can see here, let's go to the video creation. That's our step in this video. And so we can see the demo of the video, how the video quality looks like. I have actually run this, and I can show you the video how it looks like.
Looking for the best property rentals? Your perfect space awaits. Property rentals let you live comfortably without owning the property. Discover exceptional rental listings with us, offering a range of choices to fit your lifestyle. We specialize in property rentals, connecting you quickly to ideal home.
And you can see all of the so we have created this video on autopilot, so no human intervention, just for in between we are doing the approvals at each step. Okay, and yeah, so then afterwards we create the captions. So for captions, you can go to the captions table and you can see how the captions look like. Property company, your real estate solution, looking for a trusted company, get expert guidance, save time and money and everything. So you can see all of that. And yeah, and after captions has been approved, then we can send to the last workflow, which is uploading. So at uploading, you can see we are uploading on YouTube and Instagram, and this is basically fetching the captions ID and from the Airtable and approve captions. So once we are getting that, so we then feed into the YouTube and Instagram and then run the whole workflow. So that's how it proceeds. And at the end, you will see the video uploaded on the YouTube or Instagram. So if I can show you on YouTube, you can see the video has been published. Okay. Same through the Instagram, I can run while doing that. Okay. Now let's see what we had done there at Airtable. So what we are doing on Airtable is that to automate the whole process. So let's say we are approving the status. So that is the previous video part. Like we are approving the keyword and then it creates the script. So if you can go to the script table, you can see the approved keyword as their script, right? And once the script has been approved, so I can show you right now like that. So basically it will create another video so on the basis of this script. So let's look at that, and yeah, then from there we can go further. First getting a script, so script approved, and then we should have a video ID and script approved of property management. Okay, and now this video will be replaced with a new video. So if we go to the agent, so if you can see, let's say I can approve this condo management, okay, and let's say I approve that, right? So this will go to the video gen submissions. At there you can see already it is overwritten, right? And then we go to the agent video generation. Here the new video should be loaded up in a second. You can see already it has been loaded up, right? So once it is it has been made, like it will take 3 to 4 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes. So the next step would be that once we see the video, we can approve the video from here. Here, video status approved, and then it will create the captions. So it will create the captions. So then the captions has been approved, then the video has been uploaded. Okay, so let's go to the video creation workflow. So let me tell you one thing. We have two type of development going on in n8n and also in Airtable. So you don't have to learn all these stuff. So I will provide each and everything. So this automation has been, you know what, this automation is a complete package, and from the keyword creation to the uploading the video, and each and everything has been automated on Airtable. So it will basically actually save you 20 plus hours per week, right? If you can go to the automations, and we have this video approved step part. Firstly, when a script has been approved, so you can go to the edit code, and basically what I've done here is that once the script has been approved on Airtable, so it should give the video ID payload. Once the script has been approved, it will give you these five things. One is record ID of the main table that we are seeing on video gen submissions, script status once it is approved, and then the actual script from where we can create the video, right? And the last thing is video ID. So this will be the video ID that we can once the video has been created. So let's make it clear by going at here. So how it has created the video. So the record ID is our main table record ID, script status once it is approved, and approved script. This was the script that we has approved. Script table record ID. So we need to know about that, and then the video ID. So this will be the video ID of this same. If you can. So this is giving us the same row from where the video has been created. So if you can see already. So this script table record ID and this record ID is same. This video ID is basically the video ID of this table, this main table, this line, right? So we know that we can update the status from here, right? So if you go here and see here, what we are doing is that giving the script that has been approved, going to the Airtable video pending. So here it will basically match the ID and update and give the ID there, right? This will be basically creating a task in Asana, so we can approve it, and then in the end keep the status awaiting. So if you go, if you understand that we have studied this, this was the video status. Before it was pending. After creating video, it is awaiting review, and then once we approved, then it will go to the next step. So let's approve this video if we have seen the video. Yeah.
Searching for the best condo management? See how we make your property worry-free. Condo management covers all the essential services to keep your community running smoothly. At our company, we specialize in professional, responsive maintenance.
Okay, so now we are going to the next step, which is creation of captions. Before that, we have to approve the video. Video status has been approved. Go to the caption table. They should create a captions here, right? And then now we have to go to the automations. So once the video has been approved, what happens? As you see, the captions must be created, right? So we can get a better idea by looking at the payload. So we are sending the video status, we are sending the captions ID, so we can create a new captions, and then we are sending the approved script. Why? To create captions based on a script, right? So if you go to there, and you can see already it has been run right now at 16:55, and so this record ID is the record ID of the, sorry, this will be the record ID of the main table. Basically we are seeing the captions ID also. So this was for the captions table, and this record ID is for the main table, right? This was for captions for the captions table, and this is the video link, and this is the approved script. So then script record ID was there. So we are creating the script, captions based on that. And this is where we are creating the captions table record, creating Asana task, and same it is creating. So basically we don't need this record ID, and so it is just a redundant part. What we are getting here is that this captions ID that we need, of course, right? Okay, so once the key captions has been approved, which we haven't yet, right? So first approve the captions. Then it will upload the video at YouTube and Instagram, right? So first approve the captions. Just wait for a second. Basically like 2 to 3 minutes. On the meanwhile, we can see what is happening on automations. Once the captions has been approved, we need to get the captions, we need to get the the video link. We go to download the video and then upload the video, and that's it. And video gen record ID to basically keep the status ready for publishing. So we need this ID, this record ID, right, to approve to keep the status moving from, yeah, this status ready for publishing, right? Okay, and we should go to the main now uploading part, and it should be running. Okay, so we get the error. Let's see, most probably on YouTube. Basically, I have uploaded more than 10 videos a day, so it is not uploading on YouTube. Let's upload on Instagram. It is running on the background. One more thing to understand. So these four are for approving the keyword and then mapping the data into the n8n. So what does this does actually? So automation, keywords linking, scripts linking, captions linking. You can see already that once all these tables are linked, right? And as we are approving status records script table at any line, let's say we are approving this one, so it will map out to the latest record in the video gen submissions. Okay, same for the other table. So if we approve any captions now, so it will link to the latest script, latest record in the video gen submissions, and same for the rest of the status records. It will link to this latest record, right? Okay. So it has succeeded. It has uploaded succeedingly. It is uploaded, right? Let's see on Instagram how it is. Right? So if you haven't followed me on Instagram, please go and follow me on. I will share my ID on the description. I'm new to Instagram right now, but I will be uploading much more videos and content there. Also, if you are a short-term guy, like if you are short-term, what we say, if you like the short form content, then you can go and watch my videos there. So let's see this.
It covers all the essential services to keep your community running smoothly. At our company, we specialize in professional, responsive maintenance and financial oversight. When you choose our condo management, you get experts who handle every detail, from repairs to resident communication. Enjoy easy communication, clear accounting, and prompt.
Okay, so we haven't explored this video automation, and okay, let's understand from the executions. So captions approved, we need to get the captions, we need to get the video link, we need to get the video gen record ID, right? So these are our statuses that we want. Then we are getting the link from the video. Okay, so meaning we are getting the video, one of the agent. So this is the video UI we have created. Then this is doing nothing, just keeping the status publishing pending. So then in Asana, the task has been created. If you go to the Asana task for reviewing the publishing, right, just to know. And then we go to so this is getting the video in the binary form. then we put into the container. And so so how do we get the Facebook graph API? You have to go to the meta.business. So this is the important part for the video. business.facebook.com. You will get the something look like that, and then you can go to basically settings, creating a system user from here, admin, and you can give them the command. Let's we have given it already, create a system user. So I have created already. So then we can create the generate token. And so how do we get this app? Let's look at that. Create a new app. n8n app. Whatever you want to select from here. This has been the business portfolio, and then you can create the ad. Password there, and then you submit, and then the video and app will be created. Okay. So yeah, then you have the app. You will go to the Meta Business, and here you will get the. You have selected this generated token and create and select the app. Then this is an important part. For Instagram, you will select Instagram basic if you want to get the ads also. These are all our options for Instagram. If you want to upload on Facebook, uh, that will be helpful if you want to get all of the insights. And that is enough for now. And then you can generate the token, right? Like that. Okay. And go to the Instagram account from here. Whatever Instagram account you want to upload, just copy the ID. Go to the n8n. Firstly, the token that you have generated. So you can create from here, just paste the access token here and set it as default post graph API version 22. Paste the node here and select it as media, video URL, media type, reels. Checking the status of the video ID. So this 1 minute time is to ensure that we have an ID status after 1 minute, and then we upload the video on Instagram. This is doing, this is actually getting the Instagram ID. Why we are doing that? In order to ensure that we have both set up correctly. Like it should wait for both of the paths to come and then keep the status published at the end, right, of the video, which is video status has been published. Yeah, that's it for this. And we should now see, so you don't have to just read or write through this code. You just copy and paste it. I will provide all of the resources in the description. This actually took me like 3 weeks to build the whole application on n8n and on Airtable. So you can basically cut down to the 30 to 45 minutes. Yeah, that's the power of this automation. Right. So if you enjoy this video, please do a thumbs up, and so that I can upload more and more quality videos for especially two types of people. Like if you are a creator, if you are an agency owner or a developer, want to learn these type of stuff, then of course my channel will be very helpful, because I'm creating more and more templates for you guys to get an access and get ahead of the game. And also for the business guys, if you can get these templates, or if you want my services, I will leave the link in the description about my company, and you can schedule a discovery call and we can go from there. Let's keep the dice rolling and do hustle together, and have a great day. Bye.